Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start by confirming your current data cap and billing cycle so you know the target to change. Once done, open Account Settings and navigate directly to Plan Management or Data Settings. Make sure two-factor authentication is available because many providers require re-authentication before edits. Enter the billing section if limits are tied to add-ons. Proceed to the plan editor. This immediate start avoids backtracking and prepares you to modify limits securely and efficiently. Now change the limit. Pick the specific plan or device, then choose Change Data Limit. Type the new amount in GB or switch on an unlimited toggle if offered. Providers accept integers or 0. 5 increments. Next, check prorated charges and the overage rate so the financial impact is clear. Set the effective date, immediate or next cycle, and confirm whether the change affects shared lines. Once reviewed, save the update. The system will usually show a confirmation number. Finish by confirming the confirmation number and waiting for an email receipt. This is your proof. Then verify the dashboard reflects the new limit and enable usage alerts at 80% and 100% to avoid surprises. If the portal doesn't update, clear browser cache and retry or use the provider app. Sometimes mobile apps apply changes faster. If you still get an error, contact support with the confirmation, attempt details and error code, so they can resolve billing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.